आज का सुबह का सच. Now today I'm going to talk about the significance of storytelling. Yes, you heard it right. Storytelling is an important tool nowadays for anybody who wants to showcase themselves or a company or a product. Now it has been there for a while, but nowadays it has got into a deeper knowledge where people are using them as a presentation skills where they apply the storytelling while they meet a client. Now, I being myself a storyteller, I have been using this technique all my life, rather improved myself in the recent times with my storytelling abilities. Now, I'll tell you, when you meet a client or when you speak to a client, you have to engage them where you can get them to a storytelling techniques. You cannot just start by your preparation. You need to kind of convey your storytelling techniques while you're having a conversation. Like for me, it was very easy. When I used to meet a client and I used to tell my name, Saundarajan, their first reaction was that you don't look like a South Indian. That was my first cue. Otherwise, the second technique which I used to apply was that when I used to meet them, their eyebrow was bit in a question mark, that aren't you too young for this profile or the work which you're doing. So that used to be my cue, and I used to start my storytelling from there. Now there are about 4 important tools which you should remember while you're doing a storytelling presentation. First is the character. Whether it is you or a company or a product, you should put your character in place so that the client or the other person whom you're meeting is emotionally connected with that character. Second is that you need to bring context to the meeting of that character so that a client also put himself in the shoes and carry on with your story. Third part is the conflict. Yes, you heard it right. Unless until you don't have a conflict on yourself or your company or product which you have solved, the storytelling will not have that impact. Like the Hindi movies, if you get a flat story, then you will not have any impact on the story at all. So likewise, you need to have a real conflict, which I'm sure every business has or every person has. You need to bring that conflict and you need to convey them how you solve that conflict. That is very, very important. Last but not the least is conclusion. Now, the impact of the storytelling in a presentation is the way you will conclude relating to that important discussion which you're having will make an impact of the overall meeting. So the conclusion is very, very important. Now, there are 2 things which you need to remember, that you should time your storytelling before you meet so that you don't overtime or make it boring. And also the eye contact with the decision makers. Now, while you're doing a presentation with the storytelling, it is very important to be in eye contact with the decision makers, to identify the decision makers and to have eye contact with them so that you know the responses, and according to that you can tweak your storytelling. Have 2-3 versions of that in your mind so that you can tweak the storytelling according to the responses which are coming. Now, going forward, storytelling will be the way of any salesperson to retain or repeat any clients. So learn if you have not learned, improve if you have learned, but storytelling is the must. So have a nice